Hi everybody, this is your friend Cindy Chan. Doing a salsa tutorial for all my students and everybody want to join this tutorial. I'm Cindy Chan. The owner of the multicultural dance folkloric music, and I'm doing this because we're gonna do performing market months that started this Saturday at downtown Concord, New Hampshire. We're gonna be in an Eagle Square in Concord at 3 o'clock. We're gonna start doing a salsa, cumbia, mapale. They're gonna have games and much more. Also, we're gonna start doing, gonna do repeated the same presentation and much more open on August 22nd at a State House in Concord, New Hampshire. Also, we're gonna start doing salsa, cumbia, mapale, garabato, and much more for our International Art Day. Also, I'm doing this story not for the students, for all you guys to wanna learn how to do simpler, learn how to dance salsa. And also, I'm the Zumba Kids in Zumba Kids Junior instructor. In case you would like to enjoy me teaching your little kids to how to do a little few salsa and a little few international and national music with the Zumba Kids format. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and share with your friends and family. Let's do this. Okay, let's go start with step one. Step one, back and together. 1, 2, 3 together. 1, 2, together. 1, 2, 3 together. 1, 2, 3 together. And then we're gonna start again a little faster. Let's go a little move our body. Now we're gonna go step 2, side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go flavor it up. Step 3. 4 on the side and each side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step 4. Front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left step back front. Only one time. 1, 1, 1. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Now we're going to combine. And then we're going to do step 9. Skip 6, 8, and 7. So step 1, like a little more open, and we'll add out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The faster. Now we want to combine step 5 with step 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. step 5 with step 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, for count the side. That's step 2. And that's all. I know you love it. I know you're gonna practice. I know you're gonna do so much more with this. Thank you for watching. I hope you share it. And I know you're gonna love it. So see you this Saturday. Bye everybody. Thank you.